Hello friends, welcome back to Yatheesharadhya channel. In this video lecture, I am explaining the design expert software. It's an statistical software. Here I am just explaining and how it is working and what are the applications of this software. Mainly I am focusing on response surface methodology, how it is working and how to do the response surface methodology using design expert software. Here I am using version 13. This is one of the statistical software and it is specially perform the experiments in a different manner. And we coming to the application of this design expert. It is applied in the case of comparative test, characterization and optimization, combined design, mixture of designs, robust parameter designs, screening, etc. And we call it as it is a multivariate analysis and also design of experiments, commonly used as the term response surface methodology. And this software is mainly deals with the planning, analyzing, conducting and interpreting. Control the test to evaluate the factors that control the values of parameters or a group of parameters. It is a powerful data collection and analyzing tool. It allows the input factors that can be manipulated and determining their effect on desired output at a time. It is determine or identify the interaction between the variables that may be missed when experimenting with one factor at a time. In this case, all possible combination all combination of the factors, that is called full factorial design of experiment. Only the portion of possible combination, not an all possible combination. What are the possible combinations are there that can be analyzed? That is, we call it as fractional factorial design. Okay. Statistically planned and executed the experiments may provide a great deal of information about the effect on a responses due to one or more factors. Okay, in this case at a time we can input the we can put a 50 up to 50 factor also. I will show and I explain on later. Each factor is statistically significant. It is established with ANOVA only, and we can get the graphical data here. Our results also get in the form 3D structure and 2D structure also. It can also change the assumptions such as a normality and constant variance also, and it can help to decide whether the model is fit or not. Models like we can 2 factorial and also cubic model is there, quadratic and quartic models are there. Based on the log values, and it is analyzed which model is fit for our results, for our design of experiments. Okay, and which model is fit or not, that is calculated by itself, the software itself, and we can scale up using the log values, log of the response values. This is about the introduction of design expert software and also response surface methodology.